The TUTCO MC5A temperature controller is a small but powerful control solution that is easy to operate. To begin, plug the MC5AP 2-button programming fob into the RJ11 jack on the side of the controller. Once you energize the heater controller circuit, press down on both of the buttons on the programming fob at the same time. After a couple seconds, the controller's display will start to flash, indicating that you are in programming mode. For safety, power is removed from the heater while programming. Using the up and down arrows on the fob, set the desired set point temperature. Once completed, the fob can be removed to prevent any alteration of the set point temperature or to program any other MC5A controllers. The MC5A's multicolored LED display will indicate the operational state of the application. Green displays normal operation, while blue indicates the temperature is at least 5 degrees C below the set point, and red indicates the temperature is at least 5 degrees C above the set point.